Hello everyone, my name is Ning.
My name is Gustavo.
And today we're going to try to make Cafe de Olla.
Yes, so like many things, coffee is not endemic to Mexico, but it has been assimilated and developed into our culture.
And today we are going to try our own version, but the original recipe is from Oaxaca during the Revolution War time. So let's see, what do we need to make Cafe de Olla?
Well, we need a cooking pot. We need Mexican cinnamon. It has to be Mexican cinnamon. We need orange peel, dark chocolate. We need piloncillo. And today we are using this very fruity Mezcla de la Casa house blend Maya Vinic coffee, which we already grinded. And we're gonna make it all in a French press.
Okay, let's go ahead to start.
So step number 1, boil the water.
Oh, so the coffee is not boiled in the water.
No. So it's important that we make the coffee after the water has been boiled because we don't want to burn the coffee. We don't want the coffee to taste too acid, right? So we're gonna boil the ingredients first, and then we're gonna let it cool down for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna pour the coffee into our French press.
It smells familiar now.
It smells like Mexico.
Yeah. It tastes like Mexico.
Cafe de Olla.
I can taste the chocolate, the sugar, the coffee.
The orange. I can smell the orange and the cinnamon.
Yeah, it brings back the memory of being in Mexico and having drinks like this every day. And see how energetic I get after I finish this cup.
So well friends, that's it for today's tutorial.
And why not try it yourself again for another day working from home?
Yeah. Talking to you guys.
Bye.